So how was your first experience in the Baja Benz? Good? Was it great? Thought you broke it? Well, I mean, yeah, you broke a few bushes and you broke the headlight and bumper and stuff. Alright guys, so the Baja Benz. Here's a little review after tearing it up for a hot minute. It does good. We definitely need to weld the diff. It's not pausy. Kind of sucks a little bit, but that's okay. The ground clearance is perfect for what we're trying to do. The tires are amazing. They grip pretty well. It definitely needs a little bit more power, so I'm pretty positive we're just going to go ahead and throw a turbo on it. That'll probably be our next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Chime in for next time. Thanks for watching.